IFS offers a leading ERP solution for project manufacturing, helping organizations achieve engineer-to-order excellence. The universal objective is to deliver projects on time, within budget, and to the highest quality standards. But engineer-to-order manufacturers must overcome many hurdles. Variable customer demands, supply chain disruption impacting project timelines, data and process silos between design, engineering, procurement, and production departments, all amidst a highly competitive landscape that demands relentless innovation. These challenges are intensified by legacy systems and fragmented data, obstructing fluid operations and informed decision-making. Only through having integrated processes and real-time data across all departments can we overcome these obstacles. IFS is trusted by many of the world's most innovative project-based manufacturers across a variety of diverse sectors, such as equipment and machinery, complex systems, as well as modular and prefabricated structures. If your legacy solutions cannot keep pace with evolving market demands, this limits your ability to stay ahead in a competitive landscape. A modern ERP backbone is a prerequisite for leveraging the rapidly emerging technologies that are changing the face of manufacturing. Unifying engineering, supply chain, and manufacturing with project management establishes the core of the solution. And due to the unique breadth of IFS Cloud, organizations can take advantage of an entire suite of integrated capabilities, from finance to service management. And because IFS Cloud is composable, this allows you to implement the modules you need now and activate additional capabilities in the future. All of this is presented to your people on a modern and intuitive user experience, with an open architecture that allows you to easily integrate to other solutions, while effortlessly harnessing AI and other embedded innovations. Let's take a closer look at how IFS can help. The goal is to enable predictable project outcomes through having robust project controls. Within IFS, projects sit at the heart of the solution and integrate to all the supporting processes. In short, the project plan orchestrates the entire engineer-to-order process. This holistic approach combines time, cost, scope, risk, and quality together to provide a single source of the truth. Project Deliverables provides a seamless integration between PLM and ERP, enhancing process efficiency and productivity. More than just a project bill of materials, Project Deliverables coordinates the management of the entire project lifecycle, from engineering to procurement, manufacturing, shipment, installation, and acceptance testing. By leveraging AI-powered manufacturing scheduling, we can ensure that resources are optimally utilized, downtime is minimized, and production efficiency is maximized. Manufacturing execution is where your plans come to life. Through digital shop floor reporting and seamless MES integration, we establish a truly connected factory. And through the Connected Worker solution, your workforce becomes empowered to learn, solve problems, and share knowledge in real time, enabling a culture of continuous improvement. As the project progresses, Project Deliverables evolve to reflect the as-manufactured state. For shipment, it includes details such as packaging, labeling, and shipping instructions. During installation, work packages guide technicians on assembly, wiring, and setup. Finally, testing procedures, acceptance criteria, and commissioning steps are documented. With IFS Cloud, project reviews can be conducted with ease and efficiency. The solution provides a comprehensive overview of project performance, including hours, cost, revenue, risk, cash flow, and lessons learned. The IFS Project Deliverables module allows for detailed tracking of project progress and performance, while the Project Budgeting and Forecasting module provides accurate and up-to-date financial information. This enables project managers to make informed decisions and take corrective actions as needed, ensuring the successful completion of the project. For organizations that also provide after-sales services, there is a digital handover to create the as-maintained structure directly from the project. This allows you to take advantage of market-leading service and maintenance capabilities within the same single solution. The IFS Service Management solution empowers manufacturers to thrive by embracing aftermarket services, diversifying revenue streams, and ensuring long-term customer success. By unifying these processes, project manufacturing organizations can achieve predictable project outcomes, improved cost control, and increased margins, enhanced product quality and compliance. With the option to harness aftermarket revenue streams, managing the entire life cycle from as designed to as built to as maintained. This is the formula for achieving engineer-to-order excellence.